A phone powered by solar energy with internet from space? Meet the Tesla Pi phone, Elon Musk's next big idea. Imagine a phone that not only redefines technology, but actually changes the way we live. The Tesla Pi phone, rumored to be powered by Musk's ideas and ambitions, promises to be unlike anything we've seen. But what makes it so unique? First up, solar charging. Elon Musk, a strong advocate for clean energy, might just make Tesla Pi phone the first mainstream solar-powered device. Imagine charging your phone simply by being in the sunlight. But there's more. This phone might feature Starlink connectivity, meaning you'll have direct access to internet service from Musk's satellites, even in the most remote locations. And then there's Neuralink integration. Some experts believe the Pi phone could eventually interact directly with the human brain. It's a sci-fi leap, but with Musk, anything's possible. Tesla's Pi phone could disrupt the smartphone market, challenging giants like Apple and Samsung. But beyond competition, it's about the possibilities. This phone could change how we access information, stay connected, and even harness clean energy. So, what do you think? Are we on the edge of a smartphone revolution with the Tesla Pi phone? Let us know in the comments below.